In this video, I'll show you how to change your Asana language. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to head over to the very bottom and just simply click on your profile. Now, once you click on your profile, what you need to do is simply head over to the right-hand side. From here, you want to head over to the cog for settings. Now, once you click on the cog for settings in here, this pop-up will show. From here, you want to focus at the top. This will be the tabs, and you want to choose the sixth tab, which is display. Now, once you click on display, you want to head over to the bottom, and in here, you will find the third option for language. As you can see, the language is set to English, and if you click on the drop down, from here, you can choose either English, Dutch, Espanol, France, and if you scroll down, there are also a lot of languages in which you can choose. Let's say we want to add it to Espanol. And once you add the language on the right hand side, click on save and reload. Once you do that, it will reload the whole page within Asana. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the language. You can also put it back to English. So on the left hand side, head over to the bottom again, click on the profile. On the right hand side of profile, just make sure to click on the cog for settings. Once you click on the cog for settings, head over to the top. Click on the sixth option, which is display. And at the bottom of display, head over to the language, which is the third option. From here, we will choose English. On the right-hand side, click on save and reload. And once that's done, it will refresh the page again and change it back to English. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.